What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted responses in Google Forms. So first off, head over to Google Drive or you can just simply select these Google apps and go to Forms. After that, in your published forms, click on the form that you want the responses from. After coming here, click on responses and link to sheets. So if you have already linked it to the sheets and your sheet is deleted, you can again click on link to sheets and just keep this first option selected, create a new spreadsheet, and then just simply click on create. So it will create a new spreadsheet with all the updated records still responded on your Google form. So this is how your deleted responses and your normal responses both will be updated in the new spreadsheet of Google. So that was all for this video. Thank you for watching.